Come on into my kitchen. I'm going to be preparing a whole pork Boston butt roast bone in. Oh yeah, you guys see the seasonings we have here. We're going to go ahead and wash and come on back to the counter. I have a half of a medium-sized onion. I'm going to take some of that good old onion juice and get it on that roast. And then I'm going to take and cut the rest of that onion up and scatter it in the casserole dish and also on top of the roast. The seasonings I'm going to be adding is the minced garlic. We got some paprika for color. And we have Tone's rosemary garlic, black pepper, and sea salt. Now we're going to get all those dry ingredients and rub them all over the meat, under the skin of the meat, and on the bone of the meat. Now we're going to go ahead and slice that onion on up. We're going to put some extra virgin olive oil on top. We're going to go ahead and get like a half stick of butter, and I'm just going to put some plats of it on the skin side because we want to bake this in the oven skin side up. Now I do have some whole potatoes. I already have them washed. I'm going to just lay them on all the corners of the casserole so that they roast up with the roast, the Boston butt. Now I'm going to put some more extra virgin olive oil on this, on the potatoes, and then I'm going to take the salt, sea salt, and put it on the potatoes. Now we're going to put about maybe a half a cup of water in there, and we're going to take the aluminum foil, shiny side face down, and put 2 pieces on here to make sure everything gets covered. And then I'm going to sit it inside of a large aluminum pan so that there's no spillover in the oven. And then we're going to bake this in a preheat oven at 350 for 4 hours. And it's ready, y'all. Let's check it out. Be careful not to burn yourself. Look at that. Now, this has been cooking in the oven for 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours. But we want that fat that's at the top to brown up, crust up a little bit more. It's done, y'all. If y'all want to eat it like this, you can eat it like this. But I'm going to put it back in the oven without the aluminum foil on for another 30 minutes. And as you can see, those potatoes are fork tender. I'm just taking a knife and putting it in there so that when I put it back in the oven, those juices can go through those potatoes as well. You guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Get all of my awesome recipes. I try to make cooking fun and easy because that's what we want. We want fun and we want easy and we want to enjoy the delicious tastiness of these dishes. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get these back in the oven and then back at the table. All right, so the aluminum foil was off and it's been the final 30 minutes in the oven. And look at that tender deliciousness on that casserole dish. Look at this, y'all. So y'all go on over to PromoSTK, Eating Good in the Neighborhood, and watch us mukbang this dish, y'all. Y'all gonna see a solo with my hubby, and then you guys are gonna see another video with me and him both eating